Right, here we go. We're going to draw the house. The front view today and the top view in this video. Total distance across the bottom is 2 1/8. We're going to start here at this corner. We're going to put that here, 4 squares from the bottom and 4 squares over. That'll be our first point. From the edge here to the door is 9/16. So 9/16, here's half, which is 8/16, and 9/16. And then it's 3/8 inches wide. So 1, 2, 3/8. And I said it was 2 5/8 all the way across. But I started at 1, so that means I need to go to 3 5/8 right there. All right, so that's the bottom of the house. Now the door height is 7/8. So let's go ahead and put 7/8. Now we're starting on the 5. And then what am I drawing from? I didn't even start. There we go. There we go. That's our door. All right, and then the height of this wall from here to here is 1 1/8, but the top 8 is hidden by the top of the bottom of the roof. So we're only going to draw up 1 inch, and then from there it's going to be hidden lines to finish the wall. So starting at 2. All right, and then I'm going to just do a little dash there. And do the same thing here. One inch, and then a dash to that 8th. I'm going to take that all the way across the roof. Length is 3 inches. There's 3/16 hanging out on each side. That's 3/16 there. It goes all the way across. And I blew that. Forget that I did that. That's supposed to be a dash line. That is our dash line. The roof actually comes down to this inch. So I landed my 3/16 there. My 3. And then this is 1 1/4 to go to the top. So 1 is my quarter. All right. And then here's our dash line. Let's put that in. It stops at the walls. And I didn't stop it. All right, and let's draw the top of the house in. There we go. From here, then we gotta find out where the window is. So this window is in the field, just kind of sitting there. There's no reference points other than the edge here. So we're gonna go from the edge to here, and that's 9/16, and then we'll measure up from the bottom to the bottom of the window, and that's 7/16. So we'll find out where that point is, and then draw our window, which is 3/8. So 9/16 brings us to right here, and then 7/16 brings us right here. So when those two intersect is the bottom corner. All right, and we have 3/8 to measure out. There we go. All right, so now we're ready to start dimensioning this. So let's go ahead and dimension the door width, all the way to the other edge of the house. And then all right, this is 9/16. That's 3/8. And this distance here is 1 and I'm sorry, 3/4. Oh my gosh. Tired, 5/8 and 11/16. So this is 11/16. Wowzers. All right. This distance here is the roof overhang, and that's 3/16. putting in these marks here that we're going to use to dimension the window location, window width. That's 7/16. Width of the window is 3/8. The window to the wall is 9/16. Height of the door is 7/8. All right. And overall width of the house here is 2 5/8. There we go. Cool. And now let's go ahead and do the roof is 3. The total height of the structure from the ground up is 2 1/4. All right. Now we're ready to transfer the top front view up to the top view. All right, and both are hanging out over the edge, so they're not make sure you're really lined up well. You're parallel to these grid lines. I'm just going to put a light line in there. All right. Go up a couple for a top view. And the distance across is 2 5/16. So that's this right here. So we can do 2 5/16. Both sides here. It's 1/16 past that grid line. All right, find the midpoint, which is going to be half of 2 5/16. Let's go ahead and dimension this. Half of 2 5/16 is 1 5/32. So we're going to 1, and I'm going to start here. This is my 0. And 5/32, 2 4 5 right there. All right, 1 5/32. 0 1 2 4 5. There we go. So that's the top of the roof there. And now we need to do our offset, which is 3/16 offset all the way around. Let's start on the corners here. Boom. And we're doing the corners so we know where to stop, because this is going to be a dashed line. All right. So we make a dashed line down all the way around. And these are the walls of the structure that you can't see because the roof is covering it up. And then we will show what that offset is. And that's 3/16 of an inch. There you go. This is done for today. Next, we will work on getting this 45-degree transfer down to here and then transfer this information over as well.